স্যার পঞ্চাশ ডিমান্ড তো এই দুটোই নাকি পাঁচটা ডিমার্কেশন ওয়াইল্ড অ্যানিমেল ফরেস্ট করছি নাকি I think I have issued the certificate for that. Yes, because
early morning.
Yeah, early morning. Right, I remember now. Thanks a lot for issuing that. So that's my duty, sir. Part of my duty. Yeah.
আমি ওনাকে বলেছিলাম আগেই আর ওয়ার্কার করে রাখুন করেনি
Suddenly, I was called.
You are the representative of civil administration. On behalf of civil administration.
No, madam.
I want to speak with the
Whether he is in
regarding the issue while Pathan and the Pathan demarcation. Yes, no any action has taken. But 1 year, 6 months. The Pathan, you know already the Pathan is given to the owner, to the driver. So where is my land? You know, forest is entering inside. No, this is not your land. Because what the Pathan is given to the particular the family, that the land, particular land is not.
No, the forest department informed us that in the letter, in the formal letter, they informed us that there have been some illegal encroachments. And that is why they want to take joint operation.
No, inside that this area, you have demarcated the land.
They have given the patta, they have not demarcated the
No,
land.
not yet.
Not a single patta they identified. So how can you now
Sir, they can
impose?
they can go to the S.D.M office or D.M office and they can make a request.
No,
This is
Already
all
he
the
wrote the letter
essential
now.
commodities are being blocked.
no, that's why. No,
Stamps and everything.
that's why before we have submitted several
Letters.
we are neglected. We are unfortunate.
Sir, only civil
We are the
administration
third
can answer with your questions. We are from our side. We have
Actually, when that patta was given, just by sitting in the office, they have issued, when the application came, just they issued, they wrote the plot number, but practically it was not matched. Yes, this is the problem.
The plot number, the
Yes, it should be
quotidian
matched.
number is not matching.
Not matching.
Before we have submitted to the SDM regarding this patta matters, but still problem is not solved. That is why we are blocking the route. If DM come today and if he assured to solve this problem, then we will withdraw this route block.
so can you talk to SDM even?
No, we shall talk DM with later. We shall talk.
And this problem is not arising here. Entire Tripura, everyone is facing the problem.
Here. They will also start in other districts.
They are ready to start the movement.
Several times we have submitted to the SDM regarding this elephant problems and this patta problem, but yet not solved the problem.
The development, no. How the forest department is behaving with us. We already want.